Warm wishes to one and all. Myself, my name is Sai Kiran. Today's our topic is trigonometry. Okay, trigonometry is derived from two Greek words. What is that means? One is trigonon and another one is metron. Okay, trigonon means triangle, metron means measurement. That means here the word of trigonometry meaning triangle measurements. Okay, here which type of triangle measurement means, especially we have to discuss here a right angle triangle. Okay, just here once observe, when we are taken a right angle triangle, here it is a right angle triangle we are taken. What is meant by right angle triangle means, we have to take one of the angle of a triangle is right angle. Okay, just here we are taken, this is a right angle. Okay, just after that we have to give the some names of triangle. What is that means? Okay, the side opposite to right angle we are calling as hypotenuse. That means this side we are calling as hypotenuse. And after we have to fix some angle in the other two angles. Okay, just here once observe. For example, here we are taken, this is a angle. Then we have to fix some angle. Then we have to give the names of other two sides. Okay, once you can observe, when we are fix this is the angle, then the side opposite to the angle, okay, which fixed angle, that is we are calling as opposite side, and side beside of the angle, that is adjacent side. Okay, just here once observe, when we fix the angle here, this is the right angle, here we are fixing, then here once observe, the side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse, and this is okay, the side opposite to the fixed angle, that is opposite, the side beside of the angle, that is adjacent side. We have to fix this one. And next we have to discuss about the trigonometric ratios. Once you can observe, okay, in that word only it is there, ratio, trigonometric ratio, trigonometric ratios. Okay, what is meant by ratio? What is meant by ratio means, we want to compare the two quantities of same kind. That means here we want to compare the two quantities. Ratio means here also same thing, we want to compare the two quantities. Here what are the quantities we have to compare with? The sides of a triangle only. Just here once observe, when we are taken a triangle, right angle triangle ABC we are taken. Okay, when we fix the angles, that means right angle and some fixed angle we fixed, then we are giving the some names. Then we have to observe the possible all ratios of all sides of a triangle we have to write. Okay, what are the possible ratios we are getting means, for example, here once you can observe, AB is to BC is nothing but AB by BC, it is one of the ratio. Okay, next AC by BC, one of the ratio we are getting, and next AB by AC, we are getting one of the ratio, and next once you can observe, BC by AB, one of the ratio we are getting, next BC by AC we are getting one of the ratio, and AC by AB we are getting other ratio. Once we can observe, we already fixed some names, okay, related to the theta, once you can observe, right angle where it will be there, the hypotenuse is fixed, and related to this theta we are giving the names. Okay, related to the theta we can take the ratios means, okay, according to the AB, what we can write here, opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, here it is AC means adjacent by hypotenuse. Okay, here AB means opposite by AC means adjacent. Just here once observe, in the same way here it is hypotenuse by opposite, and here it is hypotenuse by adjacent, here it is adjacent by opposite. Once you can observe, related to this theta, possible ratios we are writing, only these 6 are possible. Okay, other than these 6 there is no possibility of ratios it is there. Okay, just here once observe, related to this theta, okay, opposite by sine we are opposite by hypotenuse we are giving a name as sine. Okay, with respect to the theta, that's why this is simply they are writing as sine theta. Okay, what is sine theta means? Related to that angle opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, next up. Okay, related to the theta, adjacent by hypotenuse we are calling as cosine. Okay, related to the theta means simply they are writing as cos theta. Okay, in the same way here opposite by adjacent we are calling as tangent. Okay, with respect to the theta simply they can denote as tan theta. Okay, just here once of the in the same way adjacent by opposite we are calling as cotangent. Simply we are calling as with respect to the theta cot theta. Okay, just here once of the in the same way hypotenuse by opposite we are calling as here it is a hypotenuse by adjacent we are calling as secant. Simply we are calling as secant theta. With respect to that angle only we are giving the sides. Okay, in the same way hypotenuse by opposite we are calling as cosecant. Okay, simply we are calling as cosec theta. Okay, thank you.